around the region at the current moment. Tomorrow, well, we'll just put it on repeat. We'll do it again. 94 for coastal areas, 96 inland. Some locations may reach 97, 98, maybe even 99 degrees. And if we do get to 99, that will be a record tomorrow. So keeping an eye on that. The wind, again, out of the east-southeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. So a slight breeze. Tropics are active. There's not one, but two, three waves, and this one causing an impact for us as we head into the weekend. Now, no low-level center has formed just yet, and likely won't until maybe Friday. This thing is eventually going to head into this orange shaded area, and that's where we potentially could see some kind of development. Now, when we say development, we're talking tropical depression, not tropical storm, not hurricane, tropical depression. A depression does not get a name. It would be tropical depression 10. That's what name it would be given. So what's going on out there? Why won't this thing really strengthen much, even if it does get into the Gulf? Well, there's two upper level lows here. They're both called TUTS. That means tropical upper tropospheric trough. That's what TUT stands for. So let's put this in motion and I'll show you what I mean. They spin like a low because they're troughs, but what they are areas of shear. This is headed to the southwest Gulf of Mexico, and as our trough or our system here makes it toward the panhandle or the peninsula of Florida, this is going to pull on it and pull it off to the west. So that is shear. On top of that, where you see the bright shaded orange here, that's dry air. So both of those things are something that tropical systems don't like. So as this high pressure system moves off to the east, this is eventually going to work into an environment that is slightly more favorable than it is now. All of that being said, what does this mean for us? Well, it means we're going to get some rain, and that's about it. That's all we're going to see from this system. Is it's a rainmaker. So it may become Tropical Storm Humberto. That is possible, but mostly all we're going to get from this is rain. So here's our area of low by the time we head into Saturday. See it moving across the peninsula. There's our TUT that's going to move into the western part of the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be pulling on it. And you notice the wind arrows here going from east to west. So that is the shear. This will continue to work into our area. And the latest GFS run shown here, well, it doesn't show much. It's rather weak and uninspiring, but it will bring us a good bit of rain if it does decide to move into that area. So all else fails, we are going to get some rain out of this, and that is some good news. As of now, what I'm forecasting is about 1 to 3 inches of rain, but really the location of exactly where this goes and the strength of the system is going to have a huge impact on exactly how much rain falls. So the big takeaway from our tropical system here is that we're going to get rain. How much? Well, depends on whether it's a tropical depression or if it's not a depression at all, if it's just a broad system, or if it becomes a tropical storm. So all of those things are to take into account. But however, Sunday looks like to be the wettest day. Temperatures will correspond to be cooler thanks to cloud cover around and rain chances. We'll have it around 70% right now, but as we get closer to it, we'll be able to pick those details of exactly what we're going to see, when we'll see it, when the heaviest rain will fall, who will have the heaviest rain. All of those details are still to come as we get a better picture of exactly where the system will go, whether it goes up the peninsula and into the panhandle or goes off to our west and into the panhandle, or if it goes into Alabama. All of those things highly uncertain. What is certain, we're going to get some rain.
All right, well, we need that.
We do. That's need a plus rain there, you know. Some of the,
need the rain, and
lawns out there are looking kind of weak, you know.
I got brown. I just planted some stuff today, and my yard is brown. It is brown.
Well, hopefully we get the good stuff.
Yes.
Only the good stuff. Thanks, Ross.